Alright, so I picked up a drone landing pad on Amazon. This one says it has LED strips around the outside, so I want to check it out, see what it looks like, and see if it fits the bill. Alright, so it comes with a case, the nice H Helipad logo, you know, for helicopters and whatnot. I'll be using this for quadcopters, but okay, it looks like we've got some reflective strips. That's kind of cool. Here's our, these are the stakes to stake it down to the ground, so as you're flying it doesn't blow away, which is fantastic. I figure if you've got spinning props going really fast around it, that's going to kick up some wind. Good idea on these. They look pretty sturdy too. Cool. Set those aside for a second. All right, here we go. I'm going to pop this out behind me, but you'll probably be able to hear it. All right, let's pop this sucker out. It's got a nice little poof sound to it, if I'm not mistaken. I've used reflectors like this, so let's hope it's the same. Satisfying. It's a helipad. Cool. And it has two sides. All right, and now these are the LEDs, apparently. This is a strip that'll go around the outside of that ring, and you can fold it up with the ring and all that stuff. Basically, we just need to assemble it, but I just want to test these out, see if they work, and then we're going to go out and get some field footage with it. All right, so this takes 2 AA's. Plugs in there. Do I have AA's anywhere? Yeah, I might actually. Sweet. Rechargeables. Rechargeables are sweet. Use them. These are the Eneloop batteries, and I got little cases from Panasonic. Makes them easy to keep track of. I even have a system for when they're dead or when they're fresh. Basically, they're all facing the same direction if they're unused, and they'll be facing opposite directions, like, you know, back and forth like that if they haven't been used, or if they have been used. All right, let's try this out. That's cool. All right, so it's not super bright, but that's probably good. You don't need it crazy bright out there in the field. It's kind of cool. All right, and that's just flexible little LED light. Turn it on to blink. I think that's a little bit like easier to see, more apparent. Very cool. Alrighty, and that's that. That's our helicopter landing pad. Let's check out some footage of that in the field, see how it works. Alrighty, it's a little windy today. Not like super windy, but I mean just like a little bit so that you probably hear it on the microphone. So apologies for that. But we're out here, we're gonna test out the helipad that we got, basically for RC quadcopters, for RC helicopters, anything like that. So we're gonna be testing that out, do a little flight above as the car gets emissions tested. So it shouldn't take long, so I'm probably just gonna fly one battery with the DJI, get that out, maybe try out some juicy flicks, things like that. I wanna see if this drone can handle that. Haven't done them on there yet, but I have a feeling like it can do it. But yeah, let's get started. All right, so we've got the helipad here. We have 2 different sides that we can choose from. I don't need the LEDs on right now, so I'm not going to use those. But we are going to use this black side since we are on a little patch of grass. I don't know. I think it'll work fine. Not windy enough to kick it up, so I don't think I need to stake it down really. So we'll leave that. Let's get the drone on there.
Alrighty, so we didn't blow away. It seemed to work just fine. I like that. It seemed great. So, yeah.
Sweet. Well, I mean, I hope that worked. Hopefully it didn't blow away on me or something. Do something dumb, like not stake it down. Oh God, I'm gonna jinx myself now. Yeah, because it's me in the past again. So hopefully it worked. Let us know what you thought down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. If you want to support the show, we've got affiliate links down in the description. Doesn't cost you anything, just helps out the show a little bit. And if you'd really like to support the show, we do have a Patreon, so check out those links. But mainly just come back for more videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.